YouTube, what's going on today? Today is actually Turkey Day here in America, where we hang with families and eat till we're full and regret it the next day. Okay, so while I'm out here in the garage, it's harvesting time. Came out here to see how this was doing. This is my Brown Select Satsuma, and I know this guy is ready. It's in there. All right. Woo, I can smell the orange. Wow, smells delicious. I need to sharpen this knife. Don't want to tear the skin. Wow, smells like a tangerine. That looks beautiful. These two are very close. I still see some green right here. And this one over here, of course, there's some green. Today, taste test. Stay tuned. Got the Brown Select.
Ooh.
Taste test time.
All right.
I don't have my normal guinea pig with me,
Oh, come on.
Evie, so I'm going to use Mom.
Okay, really?
I'm going to use you as my guinea pig. Now, have you ever had an orange select before? I mean, a Brown Select.
Brown Select, no.
All right. It's a Satsuma, so.
Uh-huh.
Smells just like an orange. See, smell.
Okay. Ooh, smells good.
Okay, we'll see.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. You got to sit down.
Yeah.
I want to see that face when you bite into it.
Yeah. See my face all bent up.
Yeah. So I'm just peeling it right now.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, I can feel. What's that thing called when you peel it and you can see the liquid jump off of it?
Ooh.
That's not called zest, is it?
Oh, no.
I don't know if you can see that. All right.
I know it tastes better than the other little orange thing that you gave me.
I'll give you that one.
My gracious.
You know you like that one.
That made my mouth all bent up. Let me see. Okay. It's not real sweet.
It's not? Sour? Bitter? Orangey?
Sour.
Sour. Seeds?
I don't see any seeds. Tastes better than that little other orange thing you gave me.
That Calamandundun. It's actually good.
Tastes like an orange.
Tastes like an orange. So what would you give it? From 1 to 10.
It's not bad. I'll give it probably a 9.
Okay.
It's good. Yeah.
Okay.
How many more do you have?
3 more that are ripening now.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a thumbs up. It's a winner. Can't wait to grow more next year.
Okay.
Maybe make some juice. Maybe we can get more than 4. But for a first year tree, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Wait till you get some height on it. All right, Brown Select. It's a winner.